Hello everyone, my name is Andre and today I have the greatest pleasure and opportunity to share with you and recommend an absolutely amazing electric scrub brush that was sent to me for evaluation purposes, and of course this is my own opinion on it. An absolutely amazing scrub brush designed for your bathrooms in order to clean your tiles, and no matter what kind of tiles, on the floor, on the wall, or on the ceiling, or if you wanna even clean your bathroom seat, super easy. You have different kind of heads, actually 4 heads in order to use and reach different kind of destinations. Look at that. And a smaller one in order to clean. And of course, bendable. You can easily twist it in order to direct it to what direction you want. You can easily store it on the wall. You can easily store it in your closet. You can easily detach those parts, put them together, charge it, because it comes also with a charger in order to charge. And of course, as I was telling you, electric. We have 2 speeds, 2 modes in order to clean the tiles. Let me adjust the angle a little bit. So basically you're going to be able to clean super easy the tiles in between. If you have mold or dirt, you're going to be able to easily clean it with this amazing electric scrub brush, which is a lifesaver for your bathrooms. Super easy to use, and of course super easy to clean as the scrub brush as the bathroom. So if you want to easy up your life by cleaning the bathroom super easy and efficient and productive, you definitely need a brush like that. And of course I enjoy cleaning it with it absolutely 100%. So if you guys are looking for a brush like that, you should definitely have to consider getting it for yourself. My name is Andre and I absolutely approve this message.